Thought I'll give you an update on my kit birds. These are all flying at the minute. That silver one there, it's out of that pair, that brown bar and the black end. Started rolling really well. That Birkett chick as well, she's performing really well. I might end up stocking her. This one's a young bird this year's. It's coming along, but the nest mate got taken by the hawk. Quite a few taken by the hawk this week. Even the nest mate of this blue bar, that's gone to the hawk as well, and the mother of it as well. Just started flying her back took her out of breeding, but she's gone now as well. So that's the only one I've got left from that family. But yeah, they're all flying well. These two this year's, they're Les Bonanza chicks, so I'm just seeing how they're gonna start performing. But yeah, all going on well. Let's have a look at the cock birds at the bottom. These are the cock birds. They're coming on leaps and bounds. I've bred that one with my main hen. That's to give the chick of that Birkett chick. But I think I'm going to end up stocking this brown one. It started rolling really well and it hit the floor, so I'm not going to be laying that out. But yeah, they're all coming along. Even this grizzle one is coming along nice. All going well. Please subscribe. I'll be doing updates as and when I can.